I want to talk a little bit about cell formatting. So let me put some other numbers here. The way cell formatting works is it allows us to pick a particular representation of data in that cell. So the way we get to that section is by clicking in a cell, clicking on format, and going to number. So again, click in the cell, click format, and go to number. And you see we have a whole bunch of different formats. We have normal, rounded numbers, 2 decimal rounded, financial rounded, currency, percentage, time, date, and there's a bunch more formats, mostly in time. So let's look at this where I put equals 1 over 3. That's of course 0.333333333333 on and on and on and on. So if we go format, number, say we go rounded, it's just 0 because 0.3 rounds down to 0. But we go format 2 decimal places, we get 0.33. Format financial rounded, it's just 0 because it's rounding down again. Normal scientific, and we get 3.33 times 10 to the negative 01. It's the same thing that we had before. It's 0.3333333333. So let's look at percentage. So we go format, number, percent. Let's do percent with a decimal, not percent rounded. 33.33. That's 33.33% of 100. Now let's look at this one, this negative 500. If we go format, financial, you can see it changes to have parentheses around it because in a lot of financial calculators, that's how they indicate negative values. You can see that here. Now if we change this to positive 500, not only did our format change, but our financial indicator changed as well. We can also put that into currency form, and now we have this wonderful dollar sign that'll show up. Say we change this to negative 635.07. Well, this gets changed and this gets changed. It's a good way to keep your data looking nice without you having to do any work, and that's what we're all about. We're all about trying to get us to do as little bit of work as possible. That's what computers are for. And of course you can go in and say we look at our date and say we don't really like that format. Say we want it to look different. We can go number, let's see, kind of like this format. Actually, I like this format the best, so let's do that. And we can see that changes and it's still the same value. So we go format number, come down here to more formats, say I just want the month and day, I'm not interested in the year. Well, that works just like that. That's basically formatting. It's really just going to format and picking the kind of format that's useful for the data you're looking at. It's all about making your information easier to look at. And of course, if you pick a whole cell range, you can do format number, rounded, and it'll change everything, including the date. You can put them all as dates and times, and it gets a little confusing because, well, some of these aren't exactly dates, but you can do it. So let's go ahead and put that back to normal, and everything looks the way it had previously.